Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken chili. To begin, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth cooking process. You will need about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken, which can be breasts or thighs. Also, prepare 1 large onion, 2 colorful bell peppers, and 3 cloves of garlic, all finely chopped. Don't forget 2 cans of diced tomatoes and 2 cans of your favorite beans, like kidney or cannellini. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and bell peppers, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they become tender and slightly translucent. Next, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until you can smell its wonderful aroma. Then, add your chicken pieces, browning them on all sides for approximately 8 minutes. With the chicken browned, it's time to build those rich chili flavors. Pour in your 2 cans of diced tomatoes, undrained, and 1 cup of chicken broth. Stir in 2 generous tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and a small pinch of cayenne pepper for a little warmth. Now, add your 2 cans of drained and rinsed beans. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it cook for at least 30 minutes. Your delicious chicken chili is almost ready. After simmering, taste it and adjust the seasonings as needed, adding salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. For a burst of fresh flavor, stir in about 1/4 cup of freshly chopped cilantro. Ladle the hot chili into bowls and serve it with your favorite toppings, such as shredded cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or some crispy tortilla strips. This recipe makes about 6 generous servings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.